Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing our monthly Boxycharm box. Now before I get into all of the products and our little mini tutorial that we do usually, I do want to say that I do have new lighting. Let me know if you guys do like it, if it's good, should I tweak it a little bit more. Let me know down in the comment section, that way I know what to do. And yeah, just need to make note of that so that I know if everything looks good. I mean, right now my viewfinder, it does look good, and in my mirror right here, everything does look good and it looks clear, but I want to know you guys' thoughts. Now enough of that, enough rambling, let's get to this box. So for this month's box, it is called Boxy Bash. I believe Boxycharm had their I think it's 5-year birthday, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 5-year birthday. So they did a box, you know, dedicated to their 5-year success. So I got 6 items this month in the box, and we're just gonna go like straight from the list. So first thing here on the card is the Pure Cosmetics sculpture palette. So let's go ahead and take this out. So this is what it looks like. This is amazing, cute packaging. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm really digging my lighting now, because usually when I would show white packaging, like it wouldn't show much. So, yes. So this is a highlighting and contouring palette, I think. No, just a contour palette. Is it? Oh no. Okay, yeah. So a highlighting contouring palette. It has 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. And this retails for $30. Okay. Ooh, I like the message on this mirror. It says, "You are the sculptor of your own destiny." This is so cute. So this is it here. These are the shades, and I will go ahead and swatch them for you. They are very buttery, and it smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it has a scent to it, and it's like a really nice scent. I think I swatched it too hard because I got like chunks of product. So the top 2 are the highlighting shades, which are amazing. One is like a champagne and the other one is more rose gold. And then the bottom 2 here, and they are pretty cool. This one is like medium and cool, not completely cool. And let me go check on this one. He's in the tub and I think he is jumping in the tub. So I'm back. Alright, so that's the palette there, and it does have a little coupon code here for Pure Cosmetics. So if you want a discount, you'll get 15% off, and you can use the code BOXYMAY. And it does not have like a expiration date either. Okay, so it's just for the month of May, it says here. So you have about 2 weeks left to go ahead and get that discount. Alright, then the next thing is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is what it looks like here. Let's open it up and get a little feel. So it's like a nude shade. Feels pretty good. Feels really good. Can't wait to try it. And that retails for $38. So right now, with just those two products, that's $68 and the box is only $21 a month. So that should tell you something. Like I just love Boxycharm because $21 and you're only spending $21 and you get like over hundreds of dollars worth of makeup. Alright, so next thing is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their highly pigmented gel eyeliner, which provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the eyelids. It's creamy and water resistant. Formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. I said that all wrong. And this retails for $24. I love this packaging. Look at that. Pretty Vulgar has some really nice packaging. This actually reminds me of the and it's called the ink too. The actual little ink things from back in the day that they used to write with like the feather and everything, and there's quite a amount of product in here. It's literally this whole thing that is filled with product. So that's not bad. I can't wait to try this. So that's that. Then we have 3-piece eye trio from Aesthetica. This 3-piece retails for $45. Oh, and by the way, there's also a Cover FX coupon code as well. Use the code BOXY to get 20% off, and this offer ends June 15th. Just so you guys know. So it comes with a spoolie. It comes with a really thin eyeliner brush, and then it also comes with a angled liner brush, brow brush, whatever you want to use it for. So that's that. And then we have another Aesthetica brush, which retails for $27, and this is their P12 base brush. So this is used for what? Doesn't really say, but it's kind of like a tulip shape brush. So I can use this pretty much for anything. Doesn't have no smell, which is good. Alright, and then the last thing here is a liquid lip gloss. This is from Beauty Creations. This retails for $10. And I got the shade Sweetheart, and I will swatch this for you guys. Ooh, this smells fruity. Ooh, this smells really good. This is a really pretty shade. It's like a pinky mauve shade. But it says liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. I wouldn't call this a lip gloss. Like, I would just say it's a liquid lipstick. I wouldn't call this a lip gloss. But I mean, okay. I guess that's what it is. So those are all the products that I got in my box. Now if you guys want to see my thoughts and see how I use them in a little mini tutorial, then make sure you stay tuned and we will get right to it. I'm not going to talk through it or anything. I'm just going to use the products and then I'll give you guys my thoughts at the end. I'm going to do something a little different. Alright, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright you guys, so full face is done. I used all of the products in the box. First things first is the primer. I do like it. It did like smooth out my face and my pores. Like I don't see my pores as much as I used to, so that's a good thing. So I do like that. The eyeliner is so creamy. Like my wing is bomb. The pigment is amazing. I didn't have to like really go over it too much for nothing. I do like the brushes as well. They are very, very soft. And I love how flexible the wing liner is. This one I really, really do. And I actually really like this to use to actually like clean up my brows and stuff. So far so good. I do like the brushes. What else I had? It's the brushes that, the palette, amazing, like chiseled, and I like that it blend out really, really nicely. This highlight is blinding. Like it's really, really good. I really like it. They blend in so well. It blends immediately into the skin. Like it doesn't look like powder just sitting on my face. It does exactly what I wanted to do. So really excited for that. The only thing that I do not like out of the box is the, what is this called, long wear matte lip gloss. It's sticky. I don't like that. Like it's dry. Can't feel it at all. It does transfer a little bit, not too much, but it does transfer a little bit, but it's really sticky and uncomfortable, which I don't like. So this, yeah, don't like this. This is the only thing I didn't like out of the box. Everything else I do like and I do enjoy, and I definitely will keep using it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little quick mini tutorial that I kind of just, you know, sped up through and did a really simple look for you guys. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Boxycharm unboxing and try on. Post notifications, hit that notification bell if you guys want to get notified every time I do upload a video. And you guys can follow me on my other social media platforms that I'm always on. Instagram, I'm always on Instagram, and it's rosevmua. For Twitter, I'm starting to get into it a little bit. That is rosevmua. It doesn't have the underscore because it doesn't let me put it. But yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.